Hey guys, all right, so let's go ahead and go over these answers for the practice. So here you have a picture of a ecosystem. You can see a lot of different animals, you can see a lot of different abiotic and biotic factors in here. Your first question is list 3 biotic factors from the image above. Now, I'm not going to tell you which ones, but I am going to give you a hint that remember biotic factors are all the living things in an ecosystem. So examples could be like plants, trees, animals. Make sure that you're specific when you're listing out those 3 here. The second question is list 3 abiotic factors. Remember, abiotic factors are all the things that are non-living. So examples are like oxygen, sunlight, water, all of those things are non-living, and that's why they're considered abiotic factors. Again, make sure that you're being specific when you're listing out your 3 here. Third question says, is sunlight, so is the sunlight that's shown in this picture here, is that abiotic? Is that non-living, right? Or is it biotic living? Go ahead and answer that question before we move on. All right, so this says removal or addition of any factors will cause changes to many parts of the ecosystem because it is a system. This means that all the parts rely on each other. So what would happen, right, if the sunlight were blocked in this ecosystem? So think about like who needs sunlight, right, in order to be able to grow and reproduce. If we block the sunlight or we take away the sunlight, what would happen? Is it that plants would not be able to grow and reproduce without sunlight? The deer would have more food to eat. The temperature in the ecosystem would drop. The water would evaporate at a faster rate. So remember, it says check all that applies. So if we take away the sunlight, think about what sunlight does to our atmosphere, the temperature, and even like the plants and animals that live there, and which one of these 2 things would happen if we block the sunlight. When you're done, go ahead and press that next button and get started on your exit ticket.